guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lakin and I have some cleaning supplies to show you today. I got my Honest Company bundle in the mail yesterday, so I wanted to show you what I got. So if you hear my kids, they're actually roller skating through the house. So if you hear that, that's what that is. So anyway, let's get into the box. Here's this huge box that I got in the mail. If you haven't heard about the Honest Company by now, they are an all-natural / organic product company based in Canada. They do have a center in America now, or the US, and you can get it at places like Target, Marshall's. I think I've got it at Bargain Hunt, maybe TJ Maxx before. So that's where you can find their products. But I order directly from their website as well, and I get their bundles where you can get a discount if you bundle the things that you use on a regular basis. So if you spend over $50 each month, or whenever you order, you get if you spend $50, you get free shipping. So depending on how much your bundle is, you get 5 things in your bundle, and then you can add 3 more items, and if you spend $50, then you get free shipping on that bundle. But when you get the bundle, you just get a discount on the products themselves. It is a subscription service, but you can pause your subscription as long as you need to. You can keep, going in and changing on a little calendar when your order will ship if you don't have the money, or if you just don't need anything, you can pause your subscription. So I think that's really awesome as well. The first thing I'm pulling out are these Honest Company Honest training pants. These are the 4T, 5T training pants, and they are eco-friendly and premium training pants. Advanced leak protection, super absorbent, performance fit, no chemical bleaches, purely gentle, no latex, fragrances, or chlorine processing, premium comfort and style, adorable prints to make potty training a little more delightful. And there are 19 in here, and I guess they look like this with the little fairies and flowers and stars. So, yeah. If you saw my last video, I will link it below and at the end of this video. It does look like they've changed their packaging a little bit. Most of their packaging used to look like that potty training one and then the box. And if you look at my older video, you will see how it used to look. But this is the new look. I don't really love it. I actually like the old look better, but it's fine. This is the Honest Company Honest Laundry in the scent Coastal Surf. And it says multi-enzyme stain fighting, made without SLS, SLES, parabens, dyes, synthetic fragrances, formaldehyde donors, and methyl-lysiethozolinone. So whatever those are, I'm sure they're terrible for you, but they're not in here. So anyway, this says this does 70 loads, and this is the safer choice, meets US EPA safer product standards. It is not USDA organic though, and this is ideal for the high energy efficient washing machines. So there's that. I do put it in bags, some of the things in bags so they don't leak in here. And again, they have changed their packaging. This is the Honest Multi-Surface Grapefruit Grove, powerfully cuts grease and grime, made without all of the things that were not in the laundry detergent as well. So okay, the next thing is the Honest floor pads. I have not tried these yet. I've used the floor cleaner, and this is Grapefruit Grove. And this says cleans, shines, freshens, also made without all of those same things. And there are 12 disposable pads in here, kind of like the Swiffer pads, but healthier for you. Here is another bottle of that Honest Multi-Surface Grapefruit Grove, powerfully cuts grease and grime. And for some reason they send you 2 bottles now. I don't know what the deal is, but I'll have to look on my other bottles and see how much is in those. But I feel like I'm getting more now. The next thing is the Honest Company dishwasher packs. These are the free and clear, dual enzyme action, and sparkling clean. Also made without all of those things I said before. Actually, this one's different. This one's made without fragrances, phthalates, MEA, DEA, and TEA, dyes, chlorine, bleach, and formaldehyde donors. And there are 32 dishwasher packs in here. And it does have the little sliding Ziploc thing on the back too, which is nice. The next thing is their Honest dish soap. And this is the Grapefruit Grove Powerfully Cuts Grease, made without SLS, synthetic fragrances, that methyl lysol word, and without parabens, dyes, and phosphates. And this one is 24 fluid ounces. Oh, and I got a coupon for $1 off. Yay! It expires September 1st of next year. Cruelty free, by the way, as well. Next, this is just another bottle of the dish soap. The other one was not in a bag. Okay, this is just another Honest dish soap. And while I'm getting like a lot of product here, I'm just wondering what the deal is with that. Like, I've gotten doubles of almost everything but the laundry detergent. I didn't get charged more, so I mean, and it showed up when I ordered. I wonder why I'm getting so much more product, I guess. I don't know. I've got a whole lot of product here and this should last me a while. So I'm gonna have to go on their website and do some research and see if they've said anything about it or if anyone else knows or has made a video about it. If you know, comment below. And this is the Honest floor cleaner. I love this stuff, but this is a different one. Like I said, this is the Grapefruit Grove. Powerful Clean, Brilliant Shine, free of ammonia is the only difference in this one. 26 fluid ounces. I didn't get a double of this one. Next is the Honest toilet cleaner. I have not tried this yet, or I didn't try their other one yet, so I guess this is probably the different one. And this just says the Coastal Surf scent, powerfully cleans toilet stains, free of chlorine, ammonia dyes, SLS, SLES, synthetic fragrances, and that methyl word again. 24 fluid ounces. I did get 2 of these. And all this was only 50 bucks. So I essentially paid $5 each for these. So I don't think I came out too bad. I wanted to show you 2 more things that I got from Target actually that are the Honest Company brand as well, just so you could see what else they have that I've used. And again, I'll leave my other video linked at the end of this and below so you can see their older products and other products that I have of theirs. First thing I have here is the Honest Company wipes, and there's 72 wipes in here. This is their designer collection, premium plant-based cleansing cloths. And yeah, this one is without alcohol, chlorine, phthalates, formaldehyde carriers, parabens, phenols, quaternary ammonium compounds, SLS, lanolin, or most common allergens. And I just bought it because it's got the holographic and it's like really pretty, but I think these were like $5 a pack. That's really expensive for baby wipes, I feel like, but it was just so pretty, I just had to splurge. Next thing is the Honest overnights. These are the just the pull-ups that they can sleep in. They're more absorbent, so they can wear it all night. It says 20% more absorbent. This is size 6. There are 42 diapers in here for 35 plus pounds. This says eco-friendly and premium nighttime diapers, advanced sleep protection, no chemical bleaches, premium comfort and style. There's one thing I will say about the Honest Company. You can find a lot of their products on their website, but you can't find all of their products on their website, and I find that extremely strange. Because right now I have deodorant, toothpaste, these overnights, those wipes. You can't find any of that on their website, but I can find stuff at Kroger, Target, Marshall's. Their dryer cloths, I have a ton of those that I found at Marshall's that I can't find on their website anymore. Just things like that. I just feel like it's really strange. Like, they have most of their products on their website, but not all of them. I just feel like that's weird because if I wanted to order more, I can't. I just have to hope that I find them in Marshall's. So I don't know if they just discontinued those or what, but I really love those products. So I just hate that I can't get them anymore unless I get lucky and find them somewhere. So anyway, I love the Honest Company. I loved all their products so far. I will update you on these new ones if I continue to like them or if I switch to something else. But for right now, I have a lot to use up, so it'll probably be a while, but I'll let you know if I continue to love The Honest Company. I do highly recommend them. I love everything else I've ever tried from them. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope that you try at least one thing from The Honest Company and see if you like it. I love them. I've used them for a couple years now, and I love them, so I'm just sad that everything's changing and it's not organic, but whatever. It's still a safer choice. It's still free of a lot of bad carcinogens and things, so I'm really happy about that. But thanks again so much for watching. I hate that this was kind of negative. Thanks again, and please don't forget to like and subscribe down below.